Okay, everybody. So everybody's got the news out, right? So the employment index and GDP, everything was pretty much as expected. So now let's go back to what I expect today. Okay, that another rally, another short covering rally into a number yesterday. We didn't close and get above this in the post market. So I think the market is gonna basically. I think the market's headed to 1961 half. We have a down bias again today. And when you take a look at the overnight action, the profile is pretty much was kind of looks like it. We had a high up here of 2020 60, 65. I'm sorry, that's 2020 60 or half. All right, got a low down here of 1995 and a quarter, and that looks unfinished to me. Just like this looked unfinished to me yesterday. Okay, 1982. Or the low yesterday of I think that was what is that? That's 1982. I know what's wrong with this chart. I got to fix the ticks. The ticks are not in a quarters. But anyway, so I think the market's headed down to the lows again, and I got a negative bias. Let's take a look at the chart for the day. I've been really having trouble with my computer. Things are getting out slow, so I'm only going to be doing E-minis today, and then I'm going to get things fixed over the weekend. All right, so go value area high of 2009 and a quarter. Way up here, the bull bear zone 214. All right, and then point of control. This is always when you have a mode down here and you get a high close. That means that the volume that was done on that rally was not it was more of a short covering rally, not a lot of participation. So the mode's still here. So I'm looking for us to test this again. And then the bottom of value is sitting at 1987 and a quarter. And then there's been three bottoms in 1981 and a quarter. I'm looking for that to take out, and then we've got to go out and as we go down, we got S1 way down here in 1966, 1978 half. So when you guys can scroll through this chart and so on, you can see the different areas. We're right in the middle of value. So I don't expect it to go up and test the top value today. This is the this is a 15-minute chart. Okay, so you can see here it's up above us, the pivot. All right, and then in true fashion, what happened yesterday was that held a 30-minute pivot, and last night, as you know, these pivots are dynamic, as you can see, they move, right? So we've got the 5-minute pivot in a cell right here at 2008 half. I'm looking at all the sisters, the Dow, the Russell, and the Nasdaq. They're all in a cell right now too. So so this is what I'm looking at. The 30-minute pivot. I'll throw it up here for you. Is up above now. It got taken out last night. So it looks like right here we're at 1996 half, and it looks like it's going to start. It's going to go down and look to take that. Um, test that VPOC. Uh, so yesterday was a lot of nothing because of the people flattening out before this number, and I think that even though it's Friday, I think because people are on the sidelines, I think that the market's going down. I said I'm bearish, and unless we can get back and take out the 5-minute pivot, and which is sitting up here at 208, and this will move down throughout the day if we keep moving down. As I talk, we're at 1996 half. I think that will be something that we have to look at and worry about if the market starts to rally back. But I will update you on Twitter and let you know where we're at with that. Okay. Uh, the other thing, like I said, I'm having trouble with my computer. I'm gonna have to do a little cleanup this weekend. I just got so much stuff on here. The bonds did make the bonds on the news. All right. Clean up, banks. Clean up. The bonds are rallying. Clean up. Go to the bank. Sell that $750 billion worth of our bonds that you bought down there in the 30s and the 39 and 42 and sell it. Get it. Sell it to the Europeans. All right? Go dollar, go US. How many times I traveled and overseas and all I got was uh, the euro at a buck 50 at one time, a buck 40. I thought I thought we were in a third world country because our money was worth nothing. All right. So our economy is not the strong one, but it doesn't look like it looks like the equities are having a hard time recovering right now. But I think also this is a good correction, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to get out of this trading range soon. And everybody, good luck, happy trading. If I don't talk to you, I'm going to put some stuff out over the weekend. So I'll talk to you later.